welcome back. Today we're going to be making a custard pie. You will need flour, coconut, vanilla, sugar, milk, eggs, and butter. That is it. It's a pretty easy recipe. So to your bowl, you're going to add half a stick of melted butter. You're going to add 4 eggs. No shells. Unless you like the crunchies. Then by all means, go ahead and put the shells in. Three. And 4. Alright. 4 eggs. To that, you're going to add half a cup of flour. Guess we can take the big one. We don't need that one. Half a cup flour. Got an eggshell in there. Got it out though. To that, you are going to add 1.5 cups of sugar. You want your oven preheated to 350 degrees for this recipe. This is why I always have a backup bag of sugar. This recipe was given to me by a very good friend of mine that I went to high school with. They used to do these in home economics class. Tells you how old I am, because they don't do home economics anymore. 1.5 cups of sugar. One teaspoon of vanilla. You know about that much. Measure with your hearts. It's always best. And then 2 cups of cold milk. And we are going to give that a mix as soon as I find my whisk. Alright. I'm just going to mix this all up. Get it all combined in. And I think they should still offer home economics in high school. I know when my daughter was in high school, they didn't offer it. And she was a little upset about the fact that they didn't offer it to her. Now my daughter is almost 30, so it goes back a ways. I always thought home economics was great. I always had a blast learning to cook and sew and all of that fun stuff. You can use your mixer for this. Because your arm might get a little tired after mixing this for a while. Because you do want to make sure that it's all incorporated and there's no lumps. None of that. I'm going to switch over to my rubber scraper now. Just so I can try and get some of these flour and sugar lumpies out. My dad never did make this kind of stuff for us growing up. It was just cookies, cakes, that kind of stuff. But I've found over the years that I really do enjoy custard pie. So we're attempting to make it. I'm going to get my mixer out and see if that will help with some of these lumps. There we go. That is so much better now. All right, now for the fun part. Take your coconut and just sprinkle it into the bottom of your baking dish. Just like that. And then we're going to take our mixture and we're going to pour that on top of the coconut. Just like that. Now, this is going to go into a 350 degree oven for 50 to 60 minutes. And we will show you what it looks like when we pull it back out. We will talk to you in a little bit. Ta-ta for now. Okay, everybody. This has been in my oven for 56 minutes. Seemed like eternity. At 350 degrees. I recommend you put it on a cookie tray when you put it in the oven. This is what she looks like when she comes out. Oh, she smells so good. We are going to let her cool down completely. And if you see the coconut has come to the surface, it's still a little jiggly, but that's how it's supposed to be. Don't you worry. And we will see you when we get ready to cut into it. We'll see you in a while. Ta-ta for now. All right, everybody. This is the custard pie that we did earlier. It is completely cooled off. So we are going to cut into it. My son has been waiting all afternoon for this. So hopefully he likes it. I did not spray the bottom of my pie dish, which I probably should have, because it is sticking just a little bit. Spatula. See if this works. Alright. Spatula is a little bigger than what I was anticipating, but we will attempt to get this out. There we go. That is what she looks like. And if you like this video, give us a comment, thumbs up, hit that there subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.